Hello everyone, welcome to EtchCut. Today we are going to showcase you our very detailed process of etching on stainless steel cookware and houseware items. This is specifically targeting the applications of stainless steel industry. So here today we are going to showcase you the applications that we have developed. We have modified our machines in such a way that you can do the flat circles and then you can die mold it. You can draw the sheets like you can see here. This is stainless steel. It's a very thick sheet. So with a thick sheet you can go for a deep etching. Here's another application of a tray. So if you want deep etching, then you have to choose the thicker sheets. Now I'm taking you to the 3D etching. There's a new machine that we have recently developed. We have a patent for this technology. It's called a 3D engraving machine. Now you can see that it's a white box here. So 360-degree etching. These are cocktail shakers, and this is like an ice box. Okay, this is a different application. This is from a 3D engraving machine. Now, in this application, you can do etching directly on a 3D product. Now, this is a flat machine sample. This is a flat machine draw. Okay, this is also a flat machine. This is an application of interiors. Some more applications. Okay, now we're going to take you to the complete etching process. Okay, we'll start the process using a stainless steel circle. You can see that it's a very common grade available in Indian market. So we're just using a normal grade here. Here you can see on the back side there is a spray booth. There is a waterfall on the back side, and there is a heavy section of air, and there is a filter and reading inside. The idea behind it is that when you spray this ink, it's called a UV ink, photoresist, they're commonly available everywhere in the world. So you just need to spray it on all over the surface. So you can see that all the extra spray will go on the back because there is a heavy air suction. Now the big particles of the paint will go along with the water. And there's an air filter and there is a water filter inside this. This is a very small unit just for the demo purpose. We have bigger units as well for the spray booth. So this is the first process. You can see that we have covered the complete area with the coating in. Now we're going to bake this in oven for about 70 to 80 degree for about 12 to 13 minutes. Now you can see that. Yeah. Now this is a second process. After spraying, then we have started the baking. And after baking, you can see that just to save your time. After baking, it will look like this. So this is a dry plate. So now we're going to take to the third step, which is an exposure. Now this is the third step. This is an exposure machine where we print the design directly on a stainless steel sheet. Now please be noted that we are just showing you one piece as a demo. So if you need production, you need multiple machines. For example, spray booth. For example, oven. There's a small oven, then there's a small exposure. This is 24 inches by 24 inches, approximately 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter. Now we're going to place the sheet inside. As you can see, this size is almost like 10 inches. Now you can put almost like 2 to 3 pieces at the same time, not more than that. So if you need more production, you need multiple exposure units, or you need a bigger sizes. The total time for exposing is almost like 2 minutes. First we're going to press the vacuum. You can see that there is it's an automatic machine, because if you don't use a vacuum, the print would not be very good. It has a very high suction of air. You can see we have a OEM pressure gauge installed. Okay, so the idea is wherever you see the black design, the design will get developed, and rest all area, which is a white transparent design, will remain masked. So it will protect it from the chemical etching. So we'll just show you now. Okay. Now we have two options here for the one side or double side. Now if you're doing one side, we're going to press 1. Now here we wait for another 2 minutes, so we'll continue the video after 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. It's about 2 seconds. 1. Okay, there's a beep sound, so it has a programming inside. It will go to a standby mode once the process is complete. Now we'll take out the plate. We'll remove the positive film. Now we are placing this inside a developing machine. Can you see that there is a developing machine? This is a 600 mm machine. We are using a VFD Delta drive here for precision control. So again, I will repeat, we are just showing you a demonstration. So we are using one piece. Instead of one piece, we can place 1 here, 2 and 3 pieces. So there is 650 mm machine. Now in this machine we are using sodium carbonate. The process is that sodium carbonate is developing the design, it's printing the design. I mean, we are not doing etching right now. This is a sodium carbonate, it's like a salt-based chemical, and it's all non-hazardous chemical. And the process would take about 30 to 40 seconds. So again, your decision for buying a machine will depend on how much quantity you want to make. So since it's a demo center, we have installed one machine only. If you need more production, then you need more machines ahead. So maybe you can have a little glimpse of developing. Advantage of buying a conveyor developing machine, that every 30 seconds, for example, this diameter, you'll get 2 pieces. So here it comes. You can see that how precise the design is. Okay, now you need to wash it with water. Again, if you have a conveyor machine, then you don't need to wash it manually. You just have to install one more machine, so it will carry forward. So from this machine, it will carry forward to the other machine, and it will do the developing and cleaning process. So it will be done in one line. So you don't have to do this process manually. So you're just cleaning it. Okay, now there's an important thing. If you want to do the double production, you have to put 2 plates back to back. So this will save your time and this will increase your production. Now you can see that for developing we are using a 650 mm machine, but for etching we are using 1 meter machine. And you can accommodate more pieces. Okay, here we are using ferric chloride. Now again, okay, it's a demo, so we can put around 4 pieces. So in another 5 seconds we'll put another 4 pieces. So that's how we calculate the production. That's how we calculate the machine size you require. So this is just a 1 chamber machine. Of course for production you need 8 to 10 chambers, because otherwise you have to repeat it. As you can see here, from one side to the other side it takes about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes you have to put it back again, because you need more depth. In one go you will not get depth more than 0.01. So for achieving 0.1 depth you need to run it for about 6 to 7 times. So again, you're running 6 to 7 times means you need 6 to 7 chambers. So it's the same process where it will get etched, it will come here, but here you have to put it back into the machine. But if you have a full complete etching line, then you don't have to put it back. The process will keep on forwarding to the other machine. So for etching you need at least 8 to 10 chambers for production. Almost like 60 seconds almost. So, but doesn't have much depth, so you have to put it back. So this is the process where you have to repeat the process of etching again and again if you have just one unit. But if you have complete etching line, then you don't have to repeat this process. Because if you repeat the process, then you can only have 15 to 20 pieces in one go. Okay, I'll put a pause to our video because it's going to take about 7 to 8 minutes for etching. Once the etching is complete, then I'll show you the video of cleaning and last process stripping. Okay, this is the second time. Now maybe you can feel up. If you need more etching, of course we're going to do the third time also. Okay, in the meanwhile let me explain you few things about the USPs of our company. These machines are made from a material called Simona. It's the world's biggest company for manufacturing chemical resistant sheets, and we are the world's only company who knows how to recycle this material from scrap. As you can see that all these dies and molds are of same color of the sheet, because we have a technology where we can convert the scrap material into plastic granules, and then we remold this material into our spare parts. In fact, all the nut and bolts also are made in our factory. We do not outsource. So it just increases the life of a machine. We get 25 years of warranty from the principal company who supplies this material to us, and we remold it into spare parts. In fact, I must tell you that we are the world's only company who are manufacturing our own pump. If you can see that this is all submerged pump inside the chemical, and this is also made from the same material. These machines are made as per European standards. All machines, everything what we made in our factory is qualified as per European norms. All the fumes which are getting accumulated inside the machine will be thrown out using a blower. See that? Okay, this is the third time. And if you want to have a look, we can clean the sheet for you and show you the depth. Again, if you need an etching line, then you don't need to do this manually. I will repeat, because this is a demo center only. We cannot install a complete etching line. So this process will be done by machine, so you don't have to do this manually. Last process to remove the ink. Now, alright, this is the last process of stripping. Just to show you the other model, we have one model called 370 mm. This is a small model. So here we are trying to show you the last process. The caustic cleaning process. Here we are using caustic soda inside. In your case, you'll require the same model, 650 mm here, because to feed the machine, to feed the material which is coming from your etching machine, you should have a proper stripping system where it can take all the plates inside and clean it. Right now this process is going on with the caustic soda. So again it will take, it's going to take about 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, this is the third time we are putting this inside, and hopefully it will be clean by this time. Okay, you can see that. Some marks which will go by water. Now from this machine it has to go to a cleaning machine again, because this has all caustic soda on top of it. Finally this is done. Now you have to put it into a water washing, and after water washing you just dry it, and after drying you can use it for pressing. Okay, now I'm going to show you our new development. This is a 3D engraving machine. Now there's one machine we have customized for one of our customers. Here you can see that there is a place for glasses, about 6 glasses and 2 jugs. You can see that, so there is a movement. So this is a customized machine we made for one of our customers. It's a 3D exposure machine. It's for 3D printing. So again, this is a 1 chamber machine. If you need more production, then you need more chambers like this. So this machine can do about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 glasses and 1 jug, or maybe 6 glasses and 2 jugs in about 6 to 7 minutes.